Hi Miss, my name is Noremi Venusman. I'm from CTU Johor Bahru, BBA course. My student ID is 2019 1004 0034. I want to tell about mocky interview. My name is Noremi Venusman. I live in Segamat. I graduate with a business diploma in 2010 and I have 3 years experience working in retail. Starting with company Astana Berjaya, I was commissioned sales representative, always landing in top 3 for weekly sales numbers. For the past years, I have worked with company Mega Enterprise as an assistant digital marketing. I have seen great success here. However, I am now ready to jump into a full-time digital marketing management position. I have always been strong when it's come to graphic design and creative thinking. What I did learn while obtaining my business studies was more about business strategy, bio patterns, and the physiology behind advertising. That evergreen knowledge is irreplaceable because as trends change, human nature will remain the same. Earlier this year, I led my most successful campaign to date with my current employer. First, I built a team with several of my reliable and experienced colleagues. Next, during the planning stage, we outline our goals, determine our target customer, and decide on a strategy, which in our case included email, social media, and voice messaging. I work with my team to develop effective email and social media messaging and call script. Once the campaign went live, it was vital that we track the result in order to determine the ROI. In the end, our campaign helped the sales team make contact with numerous prospects and close over 25 days. I am confident I can do this for your company too. Strength. I believe that my greatest strength is the ability to solve problems quickly and efficiently. I can see any given situation from multiple perspectives, which make me unique, qualified to complete my work even under challenging conditions. That's problem solving allow me to be a better communicator. I am just as comfortable speaking to senior executives as I am junior team members. I think ability to see all sides of an issue will make me a great asset to the team. My weakness, I default to believing that I can solve any problem on my own. This works well in some situations, but in many cases, I need the help of others to overcome factors beyond my control. In one instance last year, I was spearheading a client event that had a lot of moving parts. It wasn't until after the event that I realized how narrowly I had put it off. I was trying to manage everything from the strategic plan down to the tiniest details like table setting. I did a lot self-reflection afterward. Since then, I have been training myself to take a step back before diving into problem solving mode and identify people or group that can be resources to me. My friend would describe me as an eternal optimist. I never let little frustration set me back and I'm always looking for solution right away. I'm not quick to panic in new situation and I actually enjoy solving puzzles and learning things as I go. I work best with people who have a strong work ethic. Every project goes smoother when you have dedicated people on your team. To be honest, I'm not reading any book at the moment. I have been focusing on my job search in the last 30 days, trying to prepare for the interview, spending a lot of time reading content on some websites. But I am receiving monthly newsletters from two websites that specialize in online marketing and in latest changes of Facebook. That's in order to keep my knowledge up to date, and also I really like my field of work. If I could change anything about my job, I would change the mode of communication. The company had an instant message application on all of the computers, and many times that is what managers would use to communicate to their employees. As you may know, I leave a lot of room for interpolation. This causes of a lot of miscommunication. I think that communication is a very important part of this career, and I do not think that the easiest thing is always the best. I would like to see this change so that project could be complete on time and with more efficiency. In 5 years, I would like to be leading the digital marketing team and working towards a directorship position. I have seen examples of this career progression in your organization and want the same career trajectory for myself. To achieve this goal, I will dedicate myself to continue learning and will become a mentor to others, while also seeking an internal leaders to act as my professional mentor. I define success by what we achieve as a marketing team. The project as a whole needs to deliver on expectation before I consider the job a success. Making sure I stay well informed is very important. I don't want to fall behind on new technologies, so I will attend seminars, workshops, on-the-job training and other courses sponsored by the company with great tuition. It's important to me to be at the top of my game, so I can be the best employee that I can be. That being said, doing this job will be a great way to continue my education too. I have been in this field for a few years now. I have set up an overall short-term and long-term goal for my career. Following a similar pattern here, I have added few points to the goals. As a short-term target, I want myself to utilize the entire set of skills I possess. In the past year, I haven't been able to use my full potential. This job opportunity has given me the chance to test my skill to the full. Elaborating my long-term plans, I want to take up leadership responsibility, like being in charge of a team for a certain task, while I work on the long-term plans. The short-term goal can pave the way for it. I am confident that I can help myself to accomplish this objective. I enjoy close supervision on particular areas of a project, and then I need room to work during after more independent project stage. I believe that a talent marketing director knows when to step in and when to give room to work. I have been a customer for years, so I understand what your customers want. Couple that knowledge with my experience in sales, and you have a winning candidate. I know how a sales team operates and what they need for support from marketing to be successful. I would say my greatest achievement is the highly successful marketing campaign that I created for my agency's largest client. In the past, I have always utilize my sales knowledge to launch highly powerful revenue-generating campaign. However, this particular campaign was off the charts. I include some of the marketing results in my portfolio if you would like to take a look. In the marketing world, there are always newsworthy changes and events taking place. I am a member of a few marketing and communication related associations in our city. I also write a blog of my own, focused on my marketing trends and algorithm change, so I do a lot of research for each blog post. I will find ways to bring more of my true self to work and look for ways to get to know my teams on a more personal level. When I bring more of my authentic self to the office, I become more relatable and approachable. And when I let my team know that I'm a human being, not just a leader, I also communicate that I see them as more than just employees. For example, I will associate with your job, then such as rewards make more sense to relax and laugh. Also give staff the tools to ask for feedback. Besides, my team members and I are motivated by creative breakthrough which happen when we are not tied to an idea or rigorous process. We motivate each other by actively participating in brainstorm and whiteboard session, never shooting down an idea, rather building upon it. Okay, Miss, that's all. Thank you.